News 4 has been following the effects of climate change on the TCI, and today Director of DECR, Wesley Clevo, told News 4 that climate change is not just affecting the TCI, but the world at large. Clevo then referred us to DECR research specialist Marlon Hibbert, who explained that climate change, simply put, is the heating of the earth from both man-made and natural causes.
That heating of the earth is being manifested in many different ways. We're looking at sea level rise. We're looking at sea temperature rise. We're looking at melting of glaciers. All of this means that in some areas you're having longer droughts because the temperatures are rising. And then in other areas, when we do have rains, you're having flash floods. So some areas are getting drier, some areas are getting wetter. That is climate change.
News 4 asked Hibbert, what is the DECR's biggest fear as far as its effects on the Turks and Caicos Islands?
In Turks and Caicos, our biggest fear from climate change will of course be sea level rise. Sea level rise meaning because we are coastal. The entire country is coastal. We are low-lying, and it's expected that over the next 50 years we'll have a significant increase in sea level. What that means is, of course, we'll probably lose some of our shorelines, meaning where there are beaches now, beautiful broad beaches, we may have less. We won't entirely disappear, but we will have less area of beach.
Hibbert went on to explain that the DECR is looking into protecting the coral reefs because a rise in sea level temperatures could result in bleaching, which is known for destroying reefs. He also spoke about being wise about future buildings and development near shorelines. The DECR is participating in activities to ensure that the TCI is able to adapt to climate change and its effects.
Turks and Caicos is now part of a project in conjunction with other Caribbean countries, headed by the 5C Center. The 5C Center is the Caribbean Community Climate Change Center, which is headquartered in Belize. So we are a part of a program where we are looking at ways in which we can improve our preparedness for the advent of climate change and in dealing with climate change.
Hibbert says it is a fact that climate change is taking place in the TCI and its effects is worsening. However, he says that the department is doing its very best to ensure that the TCI is ready to face the change. For WIV4 News, I'm Amanda Miller.